4 sources of making the money. 4. One is what my wife had just told us. The second is the bonus. When, if I invite my brother, if he comes on G2, I will be paid 1,080. If it's G3, I will be paid 2,000 something. If it is S1, I will be paid 11,000. That's inverter's bonus. Apart from salary, inverter's bonus. That's for your A level, the person you invited directly is 5% of the amount. That person is 5% of it. Your A level. The person you invited directly is your A level. If that's your A level, invited somebody, no matter the level, 2% of that level is your own. 2%. That is, if that's your B, because that person is your B level. If your B level now invites somebody, anybody, at any level, whatever level, 1% of that amount is what they will pay to you. You are not the person who invited the person. You don't know that person from Adam. But because it's traceable to you, to your third level, which is C, they will still pay you. That's that bonus. Then the third way is when they come, the daily task that we are all doing, that we must all do, which is compulsory. If you don't do your own, and nature catch you. There are some people that they have experienced the big stick. It will just block you. Because you are waiting their money, you are diminishing their income. It will just block you. Now the person you invite, when they do their own task, if that person is your A level, 4%, of whatever the person is going to make that day from the task. If it is your B level, 2% of the money they are going to pay that person that day. If it is your C level, 1% of the money they will pay that person that day. That's the essence of the quiz. Both online quiz and the quiz you will answer before you do your task. You have to study it. The table is there. That's 4%, 2%, and 1%. That is the top source of income. I want to say here, if I invite my brother now, I'm G2, but by the time he recharged, he went to S1. That's about, I will collect the bonus, 5%. But the task he will be doing, no CC for me. I won't collect kobo. Why? Your senior cannot be working for you and you are shopping. So you cannot earn daily, meaning you cannot earn daily income bonus from somebody who is above your level, though you are the person who is That's the interpretation. So that's why, if somebody under you now decides to come, I'll grade above you, you better run. Or else, you'll be losing the money on the daily task he or she will be doing. It's important. Then the fourth is point more. Every time we invite anybody, if there is no event reward, apart from the bonus, you will have 1 point. 1 point in your point more. When that point becomes 3, when you have 3, you can redeem it. Use your 3 points for 1 spin roller. If the points are accumulated, you can use it to redeem other materials, even up to motorcycle, phone, and so many things, depending on if you have 100 points, you have 50 points, is there that you can use it to redeem. Now, how do you redeem? When you log in to your back office, just go to the middle, you will see where they write point more. Click on it. The number of points that you have is there. When it's 3, you can use it to get a spin, wheel spinner. Next to it on the right is the wheel spinner. When you click that, the thing will be rolling. Under it, on this side, under it, you will see if you have spin there, they will write the number of spin you have, either 1, 2, or 0. If it's 0, don't bother yourself, you don't have any. But if you have 1 there, you can bam, it will roll. Where it stop, that's what you win. That is the point. Now, the last way of making money is from team building. As you are building team, when you have 18 under you, and out of that 18, not more than 10 of it must be G2. Not more than 10. The remaining must be either D3 or S1. When you cyber that, you become a team leader with a fixed salary of 110,000. That is apart from the money you are making from daily tasks you are doing and your downline are doing. Apart from that. When the total number of your A level, B level, C level is a minimum of 200, you become team manager with a salary of 320,000 free salary. When you move forward, there, if you look at the point, your page, I hope, sorry, maybe it's that page that I was unable to print when I ran out of cash to pay the person. Sorry. Now, when that is when your team becomes is 280, not 320, become 200. Now, when you have 1,000, your A, B, C is 1,000. You are entitled to a fixed salary. Then you become a team supervisor with a fixed salary of 650,000. So 650,000 free salary. That is not inclusive of your daily tax money, and also under you the daily. By the time those one come, it will be running to million. That's what it means. Now, if they are up to 2,000, that will give you 1,900,000 per month. By the time you add all these, your daily tax and all these things, you know what it is. We'll be talking of several million. If it's 3,000, you now become a salary earner of 5 million per month. Not per annum, per month. And by the time you add your daily tax and also bonus from your team management, you know what it is. And lastly, if you are able to get 5,000, by that time you become regional director and your salary become 11,000. 11,000. So, yeah, we